Raleigh, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeast Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Tower City, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour and large hail. The severe thunderstorm will be near Warmelsdorf and Parksburg around 7:25 p.m., Strausstown and Burnville around 7:30 p.m., Sinking Spring and Coatesville around 7:35 p.m., Leesport and Fairview HGTS around 7:40 p.m., Hamburg and Showmakersville around 7:45 p.m., Pewtown and Lionville around 7:50 p.m. Other severe thunderstorms were located in York County moving east at around 35 miles per hour. These severe thunderstorms will move into western Chester County between 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. These are dangerous storms. If you are in their path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. These severe thunderstorms have a history of producing wind damage in central Pennsylvania. Do not stay outdoors. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Tuesday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until midnight Wednesday morning for northeast New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Chester. The following is a special weather statement.